When prompting holiday AI images, words and terms are your currency. Common words result in common images. Do you know the unique festive vocabulary full of visual meaning that will give your AI images detail and depth? Are you using 12 words when one word will do the trick? Today, let's prompt all things festive. We'll explore specific holiday terms, both religious and secular. We'll resurrect some old traditions and travel to other cultures for seasonal inspiration. Once I started exploring holiday vocabulary, I just couldn't stop. So I put nearly 200 useful prompt terms into an ebook. Watch until the end and I'll give you a promo code to download the ebook for free. I'm prompting today in Midjourney version 6.1. It's one of the best at creating artistic imagery. But these prompts will work in other AI image generators. Let's make some Christmas magic. Think specific words don't matter to an AI image generator? Let's start with one of the secular icons of Christmas. Santa Claus. Or is it Father Christmas? Or maybe it's Old Saint Nick. The prompt you use affects how the AI draws the iconic character. Everything from jolly to dark. Here's a list of the different names for Santa Claus across cultures and traditions, and how the AI might interpret the name differently. I'll hold the seed the same across all prompts. While the traditional lines are softening across cultures, there are still unique variations to holiday figures. You may be looking for a traditional Christmas image, like a nativity scene, with the 3 wise men, mangers, and a Bethlehem star. Or maybe you want something a little bit off the beaten path, an apocryphal nativity with mythical creatures. Each culture has its own take on the holiday season. And modern culture has created new holiday icons. But don't forget about the holidays that happen around the same time as Christmas. Diwali sometimes happens around this time, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, and the winter solstice. All these celebrations are festive, they're a time of renewal and rebirth. And why not resurrect some bygone traditions? Some are only familiar through Christmas carols or maybe Christmas stories. Now let's talk color. It's not just the red and green for the holidays. Specific shades are particularly seasonal. Let's take red. Do you want a rich, deep red crimson? Or a vibrant candy apple red? Or maybe something darker, a more elegant shade of burgundy. And how about those rich golds? A soft, luxurious champagne gold? Or shiny, reflective metallic gold? Or maybe a more muted, vintage, antique gold? Wrap your Christmas in shades of whites, reds, greens, blues, purples, silvers, and gold. And let's end with a few artists who are known for holiday art. Renaissance artist Peter Bruegel the Elder is famous for his depictions of winter scenes and rural life. And no one can think of nostalgic Americana Christmas without thinking Norman Rockwell. And for a darker, more modern take on the holidays, turn to graffiti artist Banksy. Get all the prompts, plus many, many more, in the Ultimate Holiday AI Prompt Guide. Whether you're in the mood for a nostalgic or whimsical Christmas, don't be afraid of mixing things up. make unique snow globes? And gingerbread makes any object festive. Whatever you create, make it magical. If this video inspired Christmas creativity, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Jen at Making AI Magic, wishing you happy holidays.